You know what, Nkulego? I just feel like Orlando Pirates doesn't make these signings. This is not an Orlando Pirates signing because the club makes stars. They don't normally sign stars. But I feel like this is a Prasten signing, in my opinion. I think this is a signing that Prasten would have made. It's the type of player that he wants. Orlando Pirates, Kaizer Chiefs have never had a general in over 10 years, in my opinion. He's the player. The most talented carry the heaviest burden. But that's privilege as well, when channeled in the right spaces. And those players have always been a problem for Pirates Chiefs. That's why we don't see them. That's why you would see a Chiefs, a Pirates playing with basic midfielders. They've given one an opportunity in this country. If it fails, this is one club, which is the most ruthless club in the country. There's a reason why Kaizer Chiefs has more fans than the Orlando Pirates. We know the kind of club Orlando Pirates is. From a culture perspective, you will never ever get deep key Orlando Pirates. There's certain things that you will never ever know about the club. There's a reason why we didn't know that he's going to Paris. There's a reason why we didn't know the media that
Abduslam
Adu is going to Pirates. How Pirates moves is completely different. If this doesn't happen, it's the end of the career for the boy. The boy needs to know that he's so privileged to be given an opportunity by Pirates. This is a door to the national team for the boy. This is the door.
Well, it's actually the easiest door in the country. If you play for Pirates, that's the easiest pathway to the national team.
Nkulego, if the boy doesn't work, and this is my worry with him, and I hope he listens to this, because I was having a conversation with him, but I didn't want to be the guy that always advises. You know, with Sipho Mbule, there will always be the guy that advises, this is your last career. For me, I think, Nkulego, personally, if this doesn't work, we've killed again an exceptional talent.
You know,
because I know.
There was Super Sport United, there was the Olympics team, there was Mamelodi Sundowns, there was Sekhukhune, now there is Orlando Pirates, there is the national team. You see, those different institutions. It's a Zandenzag.
Opa made you a bucky.
It's not a bucket, it's a Hilux.